Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. Man, are you hungry? Are you really hungry? Find out what I'm talking about after this. Hello everyone, welcome to Your Focus Driven Day with your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery. Today I want to talk about, are you hungry? Feed your faith and starve your fears. You see, when it comes to being hungry, we're not talking about physically being hungry. We're talking about, do you have that drive, that tenacity, that dog-like that you want to just, almost like a bulldog on the back of a pickup truck full of meat. When you hold on to something, you say, I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to quit. Do you have that dog fight in you? That's what I mean by, are you hungry? You see, there's 3 points that I want you to walk away with in today's podcast. Point number 1, hunger is a motivation. Find someone who's hungry about life, someone who's hungry about success, someone who's hungry to live life at the fullest. It becomes a motivation. They look around at their circumstances and they say, I don't like where I live. I don't like the car I drive. They get hungry. They're not satisfied. A good friend of mine said, listen, Lyman, if you want a dog to hunt, get an old junkyard dog. Don't get one of them little dogs, little lap dogs that get fed, at 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and snacks in between. That dog won't hunt. You need to get a dog that's hungry, that'll go out there and do something. Well, you got to be the same way, ladies and gentlemen. You got to allow that hunger of motivation to be the fuel that would allow you to press through and break through hard times. Point number 2, hunger is universal. Everybody has hunger, but the question is, what is your thirst for? What are you hungry after? Are you hungry just for the sake of, I want to have a nice bank account? Or are you hungry to succeed, to see others also succeed? And also, hunger forces you to be creative. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. When you're hungry, you will find a way to make it happen. So point number 1, hunger is motivation. It pushes you to break through. Point number 2, it's universal. All of us know what hunger feels like. And point number 3, hunger creates creativity. So get hungry, my friend, and stay focused. Hey, Lyman Montgomery, the #1 Focus Acceleration Coach, bringing you another edition of your Focus Driven Day. Do me a favor, stay safe, and always stay focused, my friend.